Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the price prediction tool in Trainline. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you open the Trainline app or the website, you will always see the from and to options. You have to select the start and end of your journey here and then select whether your journey is one way or return or open return. I'm gonna select one way for now. Once that's done, you have to select the out or departure date. I'm gonna select a bit later date so we can see the price prediction results better. Once that is done as well, click on the Get Cheapest Tickets button. Now you can see various trains and buses who offer the same journey, but we are going to look at the price prediction tool for now. You can see this stock button here. It's like an arrow going up. You have to click on it and that's the price prediction tool. Now we can see various data here, like when is the ticket likely to sell out, and what will be the price of ticket at a later date. So it's really helpful to have the price prediction tool around because it's gonna help you manage your travel budget much better. And that's it for price prediction tool of Trainline. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.